Oh.
Over there, Chair. So come on there.
You're all right. Look at their faces. Oh. It's over the face again.
Nice to be able to hear people laughing at this. They kick out of listening to them laughing.
It's a spoof show.
Oh.
You knew that was coming too.
What stage are you at?
They just hit him on the chair.
Oh, wait for the next one.
Those are good shots. Yeah. How the hell would they have planned that one?
That one was just cruel.
It's the crossbar and nails it again.
Trying to like crawl away from the net.